Hello and welcome to this homework video for the Room 2003 Science Environmental Science class. The topic is atmospheric energy, temperature, and heat, and the focus is on energy for this homework video. So we expect to see two more homework videos in this three-part series, that being temperature and heat, to follow on. As we get started, I just want to acknowledge the source of the content text that we will see. It is from a book called Earth Science at oercommons.org. It is an open textbook, and you can see the URL for it there. The chapter is the atmosphere, and the section is atmospheric energy, temperature, and heat. So why are we looking at this topic at this point in time? Well, these three things, energy, temperature, and heat in the atmosphere, explain or are why we experience weather and climate. So if we understand these three things and what goes on with them in the atmosphere, we are better able to predict weather and better able to understand what's going to be happening in the future. What you will learn as you go through this assignment today are these six things. Number one, how energy is transferred from the sun to the earth and its atmosphere. Number two, the relationship between wavelength and energy for different types of electromagnetic radiation or EM radiation. Number three, where the different types of electromagnetic radiation, including visible light, occur along the EM spectrum. Number four, the difference between radiation and reflection. Number five, the meaning of albedo. And number six, what the law of conservation of energy states. As we go through this presentation, again, just a reminder, this is the first in a series of three. We've got energy now. We will have temperature and heat to follow. The slides are laid out with slides 5 through 9, where the reading is located, the actual textbook material. Slides 10 through 12 cover the questions. As we go, I will pause or I will wait 5 to 6 seconds on each slide, allowing you a chance to find the pause button on the video and pause that so you have plenty of time to read the slide. This assignment is due May 1st, and as we have been doing, please email pictures of the answer sheet or answer sheets depending on how many pages you use. This is the first text slide, so I will pause 5 to 6 seconds. Again, the pause is to allow you time to pause the video so you can finish reading the paragraph. Here's the next text slide, a figure, figure 1. Here's the next slide, the next text slide rather. Next text slide. And here's the final text slide. Here are the first set of questions. Notice the slide numbers referenced, so you can go back to that text. Here's the next set of questions. next set of questions. I believe this is the last question slide. So that brings us to the end of this homework video, atmospheric energy, temperature, and heat with focus on energy. Again, this is for my environmental science class that meets in room 2003 at the Buffalo campus Mideast. If you have any questions, please call or email or join the Google Meets. And as always, be safe and be well.